I personally felt sad, but not surprised.
The federal government is considering decriminalizing simple drug possession in British Columbia. But advocates for drug users say the amount the government is looking at is even lower than what BC has applied for.
Really kind of angry because the 2.5 gram threshold does not address the needs of people who need drugs. It's actually detrimental and possibly even dangerous.
Leslie McBain with Mom Stop the Harm says she was at a meeting on drug policy with Minister Sheila Malcolmson this week. McBain says the minister brought up what Health Canada was considering, that they would approve decriminalization for BC, but only 2.5 grams worth. Malcolmson's ministry won't confirm this number.
But that was the policy that the federal government came to her with and had her announce it. There was no necessarily no negotiation presented.
In a statement, Minister Malcolmson says the federal government has not made a final decision on our application for decriminalization. We continue to work closely with Minister Bennett and her ministry on this submission. And Health Canada wouldn't give City News any timeline on decriminalization when we asked, saying there's no set time period for making a decision on unique exemption requests. The review time varies depending on the complexity and completeness of the request. Brittany Graham with the Vancouver Area Network of Drug Users is concerned law enforcement may have too much say.
The fact that we are continuing to bring in people who police and criminalize drug users into the conversations is a slap in the face to the public health movement.
Vandu and other advocate groups say having such small quantities opens up the most vulnerable drug users to more police confiscation, painful withdrawal symptoms, and being forced to get drugs from people they can't trust.
And so if we're not thinking about those people, then what are we doing here? We can see that this could be a potential place for causing more harm and possibly more overdoses.
In its new budget, the federal government plans to give Health Canada $100 million over 3 years to address the opioid crisis. They put forward $116 million in 2021, but deaths from illicit drug poisoning still broke records. In Vancouver, Kier Junos, City News.